Well, I think that people start engaging first, no?
You're live.
I'm already live.
Hi, Barbies. Welcome to Indian Wikimedia.
Hi.
How are you?
Indian Wikimedia's second home. I'm great.
So, Barbies, how has been your experience working with Showbiz with Barbies?
Well, of course, it has been a feather in my cap. It's one of the best things to happen to me. Like, because it's something that is up my alley. All my friends are the same reality. Like, you're doing a talk show. Actually, you should only do it. If we will do it, then people will think we're abnormal. So, it was something that is very me. And next thing, he's on my lap and he's giving me a lap dance. And my reaction was like, really, I was caught unawares.
So, one thing that you love about this show?
Well, I think one thing is very less. I love everything about this show. I love the fact that, first of all, we are a great team, touchwood. We all gel so well. Secondly, I love the fact that everyone, comes with all their heart and they are so supportive and so sweet. And in fact, so many times, I tell them, chalo, we episode wrap up. They're like, no, we are enjoying, we want to talk more. The same thing happened with Anita and Rohit. They were like, khadam ho gaya itni jaldi. No, we want to stay more. So, and I think so many episodes have been so special to me. Beginning with Divyanka, Vivek. They are true friends. They are just gems. And they really supported me, and very sweet of them to come on the first episode. And same thing with Divyanka is usually shy, but she was really enjoying, and she's like, aur baatein karte. So it was fun, yeah.
Okay, and did you get to know any secret about your guest in the show?
Well, I got to know a lot about them because even I don't know about their journeys and all, right? We all meet, we all party, we all have good times together. But you don't know so much about people, like about their journeys. I absolutely loved even Shashank and Ada's episode. And I really look up to them. They are such humble human beings, what all they spoke. And even Shashank, how from Ujjain, he came here and he bagged Balika Vadhu. And how Ada also started her journey. So I got to know a lot about them on that front. But even Anita Rohit was super cute, which is going to come up very soon. You guys are going to love that episode. The way they revealed their love story, it was adorable. And sometimes, yeah, certain things I already know. Like Vivek told me, you look damn bored, Barbies. You already know everything about us. He was taking my case. He's like, she looks damn bored because she knows everything from before.
Okay, we have a lot of fans of yours. So Nitanshi is saying hi to you.
Hi.
Angel is asking, how are you?
Hi Angel, I love that name. I'm fine.
Okay, Urva is saying, hello Barbies, your show is awesome.
Thank you. See, it was made specially for you guys. I know all of you love all your favorite television actors and they've all been coming on the show. And a lot of you are writing in. So thank you so much. This feedback means a lot.
So she's requesting if you can get Kinshuk and Shivya on this show, please.
Thank you. I will definitely try. Why not? I know Kinshuk and Shivya. Yeah.
Okay, so Akash is asking, then hi Barbies, wanna know your favorite childhood show?
My favorite childhood show? Well, there were so many, like Small Wonder. I think Small Wonder was a favorite with all the kids.
Deepika Roya is saying, just loved the episode of Shashank and Ada.
Yes.
I loved watching interview of Siddhant and Megha too.
Thank you. I think, yeah, you're right. Shashank and Ada's episode was also amazing.
So, fan of yours, Aman Bhatnagar is saying, what is your motto or advice that you live by?
My motto or my advice? Well, I first of all live in the moment because I strongly believe man proposes, God disposes. I've also been through a lot of ups and downs in my life, and I think every morning I just wake up and I'm thankful to God. Okay, thank you for giving me a new day, and I will make the most of it. So that is my motto. I'm very positive. But what I have learned, आप जितना भी calculate कर लो या आप ये सोचते मैं ये plan करती हूँ ये वो, but as I said, man proposes, God disposes.
Aman Bhatnagar is also asking that what's your goal for this year?
For this year?
Yeah.
It's almost about to end.
The coming year.
The coming year, well, hopefully come back with a season 2 of Showbiz with Barbies in a bigger and better way.
So Sargam is saying that Sanaya and Mohit are your friends now. Please
Yes.
invite them on the show, please.
Well, what makes you think I didn't? I did invite Sanaya and Mohit, but they were in Italy. So you guys should also write into them and tell them to come on Showbiz with Bhabis. I told Sanaya and Mohit quite a few times. So let's see if the dates work out. Of course, they will come. They are very good friends of mine.
Okay, Haley's saying that your birthday is coming, Barbies, ma'am. Any
Oh.
special plans?
Wow, so sweet you remember. Well, I'm like this little child who's always excited about my birthdays. So, abhi to kuch khas plans nahi hai, but the kind of friends I have now, even if I don't want to do anything, they're like, hum to aa hi rahe. So the party anyways just happens because of them.
So this time the birthday will be more special.
Well, nothing like that, yeah. For me, every birthday is special because I've always been excited about my birthdays.
Okay, and who's the next guest on Showbiz with Barbies? Audience would like to know.
Well, that's for you guys to guess. I don't want to reveal anything now, because then you will not watch. You watch.
Okay, so one fan, Chulbul Surbi, she's saying, "Hi Didi, please say my name, Aarti. I'm a fan of yours."
First of all, I like the nickname Chulbul Surbi. It's very cute. And hi Aarti. Thank you so much for loving me.
So, one fan is saying that she's also excited for your birthday.
So sweet. Thank you. Yeah, thank
So
you
they
so
want
much.
to know, like, exactly, have you planned anything for your birthday or?
No. In fact, I usually plan big parties, and I'm a complete people's person, and I always have a party every year. But this time, in fact, I haven't planned. But as I said, touchwood, blessed with the kind of people around me. They all are like, no, yeah, you have anything, you don't have anything, we are coming to cut the cake with you. So let's see, we'll take it as it comes.
Okay. So Nidasha is saying, hey, thank you so much for calling Shashank Vyas. It was a blockbuster episode.
Yay! Thanks a lot, because that was only the idea. I absolutely love and adore Shashank a lot, and I wanted people to know how he is in real life, because people don't exactly know how Shashank is. He's a wonderful person, and he's somebody who'll always watch your back.
Okay, so one word, if we ask what comes to your mind when we say Showbiz with Barbies, what exactly comes to your mind?
When you say Showbiz with Barbies,
yes.
Well, friends, because the show is about friends.
Okay. So any secret you got to know about Shashank or Ada in your last episode?
Well, as I said, secrets to aisa kuch nahi hai, because our show is a very non-controversial and clean family show. But yes, I got to know a lot about them and the connection they share about their moms. And I didn't know he had a tattoo. That was something new to me. He has done a tattoo, and also the way he came to Bombay and everything happened to him. So it was a very good chat session for me also.
Okay. So Neo is asking that if you had to replace, like, a Showbiz with Barbies host has to replace with another host, who would it be?
Well, I hope aisi naubat aayi na. But I think from television, I just hope, first of all, such a situation should not come. I cannot see anyone.
Like, you become the guest. She's saying you become the guest, and one of your friend is the host, and you, like, role reversal jaisa kuch.
Acha, role reversal, then who can interview me? I think Vipul Roy. Vipul and me, like, we have a crackling chemistry. We are two monkeys. I call him Monkey, and he's also been a host, and he's very talkative, and he knows a lot about me.
Okay.
So I think Vipul can.
So maybe he knows a lot of things about you. So sare bahar aa jayenge.
Yeah, and he can he knows exactly what to say and how to host a show and all. So yeah.
Okay. So Heli is saying, is there any plan of Bahu Hamari Rajnikant cast coming to Showbiz with Barbies?
Well, I would love to. I'm working on it. Let's see what happens.
Okay, Kamna Sharma has a big message for you. I just want to say, Barbies ma'am, when Siddhant and Megha came to your show Showbiz with Barbies, I only remembered of Sid and Panchi of Pyar Ki Ye Kahani. I really miss Sid and Panchi. You both were amazing on the show.
Thank you so much. But see, that's the sweetest part, that Sid Panchi were characters, but Siddhant and Bobby still remain friends, and because of that, I'm sure you saw Siddhant Karnik's vlog also with me, and I got him on my show, so you all have still been seeing our chemistry a lot. Yes, we became friends for life after that show.
Okay, Amit is wishing you happy birthday in advance.
Aww.
We have a lot of wishes actually.
Yay! The
Shashank,
birthday month has started.
Yes.
Thank you.
so there are a lot of requests as well that you please call their favorite.
Of course, I know people keep writing to me also.
Yeah.
I would love to.
So there's a request. Please call Raghav and Ridhima Pandit on the show.
Acha Raghav, because you're hosting. Okay,
Yes.
that's sweet.
So one fan Shashank is saying that can you wish Vipul Roy for his new show?
Of course, I
Fatness.
already have. So Vipul, my bestie, is coming with a show on 28th November, my birthday. I'm his lucky charm. He's doing this brilliant show called Partners with Kiku Sharda. So it looks amazing. It looks like a movie. So all the best, Vipul.
And one question we would like to ask, like, what makes Showbiz with Barbies different from the other lot of chat shows?
Well, I'm sure the whole flavor of the show only makes it very different. It's so non-controversial. It's such a family show, and it's one of its kind in television. Like, I think something like that has not been done for television actors. So I think it's a great attempt.
Okay, and one guest you would like to invite?
If I had to invite, I'd invite Mr. Bachchan. Though I think in front of him, meri bolti band ho jayegi. But oh my God, who wouldn't want to invite Mr. Bachchan? And he also belongs to television.
Yes, true. So Chulbul Surbi is saying happy birthday, Barbies ma'am.
Thanks.
God bless you. Success for your new show.
Thank you so much. I'm loving this. मुझे तो लग रहा है आज ही मेरा birthday.
So they are requesting that you please get Bahu Hamari Rajnikant cast to the show if possible.
How sweet. Thank you. I will definitely try.
A lot of wishes for you for your show and a birthday wishes also.
Thanks.
Sonam Shirpa is saying please call Jennifer Winget to your show.
Oh, I would love to. Jenny has been my co-actor in Saraswati Chandra.
Yes.
And I also think she's such a talented woman. I love her even more from Behad. So I would definitely like to call Jenny if she'd like to come though.
Okay. Kartika is saying when are you making your fiction comeback?
Actually I just got very busy with this. I wanted to do something different. So, and as I said, कभी कुछ plan नहीं किया था. ये show था मन में, लेकिन like बराबर से conceive हो जाएगा, बन जाएगा, कभी सोचा नहीं था. So at the moment this was my prime focus. And फिर अभी the New Year's and all सब आ रहा है यार. So sorry, first I'll enjoy my New Year's in Goa. Then probably from Jan or something.
Please tell us about the New Year plans also.
We are a group of people. We are planning to go to Goa, and let's see. उसके बाद from New Year, even I'd like to catch a fiction show.
Okay. And what is your New Year wish? Like anything you've planned? Any goal?
Work hard, party harder. Always.
Okay, Kamna is saying that how was it working with Neil as Dev in Bahu Hamari Rajnikant?
Oh, Neelu. It was a lot of fun. Neil is a very talented actor and we get along really well. In fact, yesterday only he messaged me. So, we had a great time.
Okay, Shashank is asking who's your favorite actor on television?
On television? My favorite actor on television... I think currently though I'm not really following much shows, but I was always a fan of Vikrant Massey. Jo Vicky now has gone into films, but I always told Vicky, I said I'm a big fan of yours. He's amazing. He's amazing. So, and he belongs to television first. So, and of course from the girls, Divyanka, she's such a natural, and Jenny, love them both.
Okay, so finally a special message to all your fans and your Showbiz and with Barbies viewers too.
Well, guys, thank you so much first of all for liking the show. I especially, made it for you guys, and I'm so glad you're connected to it because all your favorite television artists are coming onto it. And yes, please keep writing in, please give me your feedback, and hope you keep making the show an even bigger success. Thanks a lot always.
So final message we have, she's saying happy birthday. God bless you and your new show too. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I need the blessings.
Septia, her name is Septia. Okay, chalo. Thank you so much,
you.
Babis. Good luck for your show. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.